this video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing CapCut on your laptop or PC. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, we've got you covered. If you've ever tried editing videos and wished for a smoother, more powerful experience on your computer, this tool is a game changer. Many people rely on the mobile version, but using CapCut on a bigger screen with more power can totally upgrade your editing. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install it. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've also added a useful resource there for you too. Stay with me until the end to discover troubleshooting tips if you encounter any errors. Now let's get started on how to download and install CapCut. To start, head over to your preferred web browser and go to the official CapCut website at CapCut.com. On the homepage, you'll notice that CapCut offers not only a free download, but also access to video templates, text-to-speech tools, and even an online video editor, in case you prefer editing without downloading the app. Click on the download button you see on the homepage. Now, the download should begin automatically. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the installer file and select Run as Administrator, especially on Windows, to avoid permission issues during installation. Follow the on-screen instructions, agree to the terms, and proceed with the installation. Ensure your internet connection stays active throughout the process, as it may require online files. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, a shortcut icon should appear on your desktop. This means CapCut has been successfully installed and is ready to use. Now let's launch and set up CapCut. Double-click to open it. The software should launch immediately without asking you to sign in. Once it opens, you're ready to start editing your videos with all the features available in the desktop version. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to use CapCut in your browser, no installation needed. If you'd rather not install any software, CapCut offers a powerful web-based editor. Just visit CapCut.com and click Try Online. Sign in or create an account, and you can start editing instantly right from your browser with no downloads required. Now for a few quick tips and troubleshooting steps. Make sure your system meets the requirements, Windows 10 or later, or macOS 10.13 or above. You should have at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 GB of free space. If you run into any issues while installing, try running the installer as an administrator, disabling your antivirus temporarily, or updating your system before trying again. To explore more CapCut video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.